Recurring payment options are a great way to mitigate late payment issues, and Biller Genie's Payment Planner enables you to offer your customers payment plans, helping them break up larger invoices into easier to handle payments. To start using the payment plan feature, from the main menu, navigate to the control panel dropdown and select Customer Defaults. Under the General tab, you'll see Payment Plans. To turn payment plans on, simply click the toggle from gray No to blue Yes. You can either save them for new customers by clicking the Save Defaults for New Customers button, or save for just existing customers by clicking the Save and Apply to Existing Customers button. A pop-up will appear confirming your selection. Click the red Save button to save your changes. Once you have turned on payment plans, your customers can log into the customer portal and request a payment plan. Once they have submitted the request, you must approve it. You will receive an email notification letting you know a payment plan has been requested. To approve a payment plan, from the main menu, navigate to the Reports drop-down menu and select Pending Payment Plans. Here you will see which customers have requested payment plans. Click their customer ID number. Review the proposed payment plan. You can then reject or approve it. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to support.